Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss an often overlooked PC component, the CPU cooler. Let's find out why the CPU cooler is so important for our computer's performance. A CPU cooler is an essential component in a computer system that works to keep the processor temperature within the safe limit. The processor, as the brain of the computer, generates significant heat when operating. If the processor temperature is too high, it can cause performance degradation, permanent damage, or even system failure. Therefore, the use of an efficient CPU cooler is crucial. There are several types of CPU coolers commonly used, namely air cooler and liquid coolers. Air coolers use a heatsink and fan to circulate cool air over the surface of the processor, while liquid coolers use coolant flowing through pipes and radiators to dissipate heat. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages. Air coolers are usually easier to install and more affordable, while liquid coolers offer more efficient cooling and can provide a more aesthetically pleasing appearance. In choosing a CPU cooler, there are several factors to consider. First, size and compatibility with the computer case should be considered. Some coolers are large in size and may not fit in smaller cases. Secondly, noise level is also a consideration, especially for users who want a quiet system. Coolers with larger fans tend to operate more quietly compared to smaller fans that spin faster. In addition, cooling performance is also an important factor. A good cooler should be able to effectively reduce the temperature of the processor, especially when used for heavy tasks such as gaming or rendering. Some coolers are equipped with advanced technologies such as automatic fan speed control and RGB lighting, which not only improve performance but also provide an attractive appearance. In the world of overclocking, CPU coolers are becoming increasingly important. Overclocking is the practice of increasing a processor clock speed beyond factory specification to achieve higher performance. However, overclocking also generates more heat, requiring a better cooling system. Overclocking users often opt for liquid coolers because of their ability to handle high temperature more efficiently. Overall, a CPU cooler is a component that should not be overlooked in building a computer. Choosing a right cooler can improve system performance and extend processor life. With a variety of options available on the market, users should consider their need and budget to find the most suitable cooling solution. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this information is very useful for those of you who will build or upgrade PC component. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you don't miss other interesting content. Thank you.